Hey guys, there's a huge opportunity coming this week that's going to allow us to make a quick profit. Yeah, 350 bucks in just 1 week. When others are sleeping, we're going to eat. When others panic, we're going to pounce. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money this week. Be sure and watch all the way to the end as I'm going to show you why now is the right time for an Iron Condor. What stock has the perfect setup for an Iron Condor option trade right now? How to place an Iron Condor option trade in this stock using options in the most efficient and safe manner. And finally, an extra tip to make even more money on a simple follow-up add-on trade. Hey guys, Darren here. We've got a great video for you this week. But first, please do me a favor and hit that like button so we can get this video out to as many people as possible. Today we're covering a stock that has earnings this week and it's a monster. We're going to show you the perfect strategy and how to make a quick $350 profit. I think it's super important that we understand all the different option trading strategies and we understand how the rich are getting richer. This way we'll have tools to do the same and profit in any market. I promise we're going to dig into many detailed option trading tips and tricks. So after you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe so you're notified of future videos and we can learn and profit together. Also, be sure to download the free options workshop in the link below. It talks about the two main benefits of trading options over buying stocks. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. Why is now the right time for an Iron Condor? Guys, we want to sell Iron Condors when IVR, which is implied volatility rating, is high and when we think a stock is going to trade within a range. Why when IVR is high? Because that's when we can collect more option premium and go wider on our put and call credit spreads so that we have a larger range for the stock price to move within and still be profitable. What stock has the perfect setup for an Iron Condor option trade right now? Let's take a look at NVDA, ticker symbol NVDA. We see that NVIDIA is currently priced at $432 and has been trading within the range of about $375 and $475 over the last 3 months. It also has a very high IVR of 72. This is due to the fact that earnings is coming out this week. IVR expands and is higher prior to earnings, since if the earnings or the earnings guidance going forward is bad, the stock price will likely drop. Notice I say likely. Sometimes it does the opposite. However, if the quarterly revenue and earnings are good and beat expectations, and the guidance going forward is good as well, what do you think happens? Most of the time, the stock price moves up. How do we place an Iron Condor option trade in NVIDIA using options in the most efficient and safe manner? All right, we're going to take a look at how to sell an Iron Condor in NVIDIA on the option trading platform. You can do this with any brokerage on any platform. We're going to use the Tastytrade option trading platform. Tastytrade is one of the best brokerages for trading options. It's the one that I've used for several years, and they're the guys that developed TOS, which is the Think or Swim platform, and sold it to TD Ameritrade, which is now Schwab, and the one that they still use to this day. Tastytrade is even better. Right now, you can get cash back when you open an account. I'll put a link down below, and if you use the link and fund with at least $2,000, the channel does get a small fee, which is definitely really appreciated. You really need a couple $1,000s to place a few different trades anyway. Punch in NVIDIA in the upper left on the option platform. Make sure you are on the trade tab. This pulls up all of the different weekly option chains. I want to point out a few different things that are important. We see that although the overall IVR is 72, take a look at the far right column and the first weekly 8/25, August 25th option chain. The IVR is 102. That's because it is right after and closest to the 8/23 earnings date. So it should pay very good premiums. We click on that August 25th option chain to open it up. Then we click on the 380 strike bid and the 370 strike ask to sell the 370/380 put vertical. The 380 is the 14 delta short strike. So this trade has a very high 87% probability of profit or pop. So we have a pretty good chance of winning on this side of the Iron Condor trade. We then click on the bid to sell the 480 call and the ask to buy the 490 call options. This is the call credit spread side of the Iron Condor. We see that we collect $355 in total immediately upon placing this trade and selling this Iron Condor. This is great. I like to try and collect about 1/3 the width of the strikes at least. So in this case, $3.55 is more than the 1/3 $10 width of the strike. With both sides on, it has a 69% chance of being profitable. That's pretty good. Switch to the curve mode by clicking on the upper left where it says curve while still on the trade tab. Now we can see that the profit zone is very large in the green. As long as the stock price stays within that range by the end of the week on Friday, August 25th at close, then we keep that entire $355. Now, if the stock price moves big outside of the expected move and our profit range, it's nice to know that the Iron Condor is a defined risk trade. We have $10 wide spreads on both sides and we're collecting $355. Our max loss is the $10 width minus the $3.55, so it's $6.45. Since there are 100 shares per option contract, our max loss is $645. Now remember, our probability of profit is 69%, so you know what that means? Our probability of no profit is only 31%. I'll take those odds. Finally, an extra tip to make even more money on a simple follow-up add-on trade is as follows. Darren, are you always right on these trades? Are you sure that it's going to make $355 in just 1 week? No. Trades do not always go our way. Again, I like the fact that the Iron Condor option trade that we are placing has a 69% chance of being profitable, and the stock price has been trading within that green profit range for the last 3 months. However, sometimes trades just don't stay within the expected moves. Revenue and earnings come out, and sometimes there's unexpected results, or management's guidance going forward is less than desirable. So if the trade goes our way, we close out and profit and can be done with it. If the stock moves too big in either direction, though, we can do this. Since NVDA announces earnings after the bell or the close on Wednesday the 23rd, any big change in the stock price will occur on the opening Thursday, August 24th. So if we're a winner, we close out for the big win right then on the opening and bank our profits. IVR will have collapsed or dropped right after the earnings announcement, so most of the premium will have come in, and we will be able to close and keep most of that $355 collected, since there will only be 1 day left until expiration. We can also wait the extra day and keep it all. If the stock price moves outside of our profit range, then this is what we can do. I close the Iron Condor for the loss when the market opens. IVR is still in the process of coming down. I immediately sell another Iron Condor using the same process that we just covered in the next monthly option cycle. If we lost, then the stock price moved way up or down due to a specific reason. I have found that due to that reason, it will likely stay in that range for a while and not move too much. This allows you to collect some additional premium and hopefully lower the loss from the unexpected previous move. All right, guys, if you're a beginner and this sounded a little bit confusing, don't worry. It did for me as well at first. We'll cover more details in future videos and learn together. I put a link down below for the free options workshop. Be sure and grab that. Also, please hit like and subscribe. Remember to comment below. Let me know what you're trading, what you'd like to see in future videos, any questions that you have, and I will respond. All right. Please share the video with a friend and see you in the next one.